walking to the bus. Oh my gosh, it's so early, it's so dark out, and it's gonna be a good day. You guys got the sign. Ah, I'm so excited. We're on the bus. In the distance, walking. Ah.
Listen, friends, for all of you out here who are just it means we keep things hotter and colder.
At the twilight's last gleaming light. It's short film division, you know it.
They had that system. They had that better than I
It's really amazing to be able to do that with type 1 diabetes, and you know you will. Once you get out there, it'll come down. Make sure it doesn't go too low at the finish. We're proud of you. We got you.
Let's get them out there, folks. Stop talking because they have to go in. 3, 2, 1, go! Good luck, everybody.
Go, Lily!
Both a little scared, not a one prepared.
Yeah. Mile 1. 1 mile down. 14-minute pace. My new friend Lori. Hi. Oh, and Anna and Kristoff. Okay. Whoa, look at the line.
Caution. Sharp right turn ahead.
Jeannie. Miles. Mile 2. Horizons and mile 3. All right. Ariel and Sebastian. We're in Epcot. Halfway. Woo! There's that green girl. Magnificent. Oh. Do you want to take a selfie? Mile 4. And the sun is up. Mile 5. Almost at mile 5. Go strong. Mile 5. Less than a mile.
Cute is he? He's got the little thing on his chest that goes through all the different floats. It was a moment. It was a thing at the start, yeah. A whole new world. There she is. I have 25
Some snacks. Long walk home. One of those flavor at least. Post-race walk. We gotta walk back to the buses. I feel so good. I'm so tired. I did that on like 2 hours of sleep. And I feel so accomplished right now. I was running like a 14 to 15 minute mile like the whole time pretty much. And Charlie was here with a little sign and it was really good. The sign made all the difference. So it was really good. I did it!
And Matt was with us. So it's ready to pick up. Figured out.
Yummy. We got a salad. We just hung out with Anna for a little bit. She's working here at Blizzard Beach, so it was really good to see her. And we hung out with her sister Laura yesterday. I didn't get enough sleep last night. But the salad is really yummy and it's nice out and I'm having a really good time.
Running chairlift.
How about that? Hi, honey.
Hey, to a break from parks and just runs down the lazy river.
Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout. A little bit of wave pool. Hi, honey.
Hey, honey.
And then a palm tree. There's our abandoned ski resort. It's so warm out. A wave pool over there. Are you gonna do something at Plummet?
Maybe. It's pretty deep. It's pretty steep.
It's pretty steep. Big skis. The backside of Everest is the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Yee! Going down there.
Or that is your friend.
We're not done yet. Come back. Come back. Cheers.